fans. Not about your chain.
No, we're doing that.
Wait.
You gotta do a sanity check.
Yep.
Go, sanity check.
Then maybe check.
Take sanity check. Sanity.
SpongeBob SquarePants.
Yeah. Don't be careful.
SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants.
Let's see what we got here. Don't take the swords off yet.
I'm putting Then.
I'm just kidding, you're not even saying nothing.
Then.
No, we gotta see what's going on here. Okay, here. Here.
This.
And this and this. I think we're good. Okay.
Let's take it off.
I'm sorry?
Let's take it off.
Let's do it.
I catched it.
You caught it.
I caught it.
Good job. Because the floor is lava. You caught it again, but you should also just try and be careful so it doesn't happen. Just try to take it off now. No?
Can you do it for me?
It's because you separated it from me. That's why.
Where's my? I need those tools, please.
You're very welcome. Thank you.
Should we do it together, please? Can I do Patrick's head?
Yeah, you can do Patrick's head.
What? Can you do one me this?
Can I do it with you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Make your body with me.
If you give me a moment, I can get this one out, and then we can do it together.
Oh!
Wow.
We did it fast.
Yeah, you see, you don't need my help.
I
If you just want to do it together because you want to spend time with me, this thing is driving me crazy right here. I'm trying to get it out. I got it.
I'll do the next one.
Did you finish it? Want me to finish this one?
No, you can do it with me. Wait.
You gotta move. You gotta finish these in 5 minutes.
Why?
Because it makes it easier for editing. And I'm trying to keep the YouTube stuff short.
Oh.
I mean, you can't rush either.
It's okay. Easier for me. Oh!
Nice. How do you do that?
On my magic.
With your magic? Oh, wow. Can you teach me how to do your magic?
Yeah, it is private.
It's private, huh? I mean, can I sign like a non-disclosure agreement or something?
Yeah. That's how I keep it. Because I cannot waste it.
Oh, I understand.
That's why I have magic to do that.
So you can run out of magic?
Yeah. Then my magic, then Geico will give me more.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I understand.
So I cannot lose it. Because then I have next magic is going to be private magic again. So I have two private magic. So one is about fairy tales and one is for checking.
So there's different kinds of magics you can do?
Yeah.
Like, okay, ready?
Yeah.
Want to push together or should I? Together.
Maybe I'll.
1, 2.
Ow!
Pinched you?
Yeah.
Yeah, that got me a couple times in the past.
Yeah. Sometimes my magic appears.
I hate this part because this is sharp.
Yeah. I could even make it giant.
I pinched my finger too, you see? I can't even hold it. Oh my. That's a hemorrhage. It's when you break the capillaries on the skin surface. So I'm bleeding under my skin.
Does it hurt you?
A little bit, but the fact that I can teach you from it makes it hurt a lot less. Oh, I did the head. Oh, man.
No, you forgot this.
I wanted you to do it. I'm sorry.
It's okay, Abba. It's a good. Because we're going to eat it. Okay.
Let me see though. Are you trying to get out?
No, I'm getting up.
This one might be easier. This one might be easier. Good girl. Okay, let's put the head on now. That's good. That's good. Let's put the head on. That's
Wait,
it.
I want to put it.
Okay, go over here. Come on. That's good. Don't worry.
Wait.
Okay, I get it.
So Patrick is almost done. And
All right. Let's go sit down here.
he is a starfish.
Yeah, he's a starfish.
So where is he? So where is he starting?
Come here.
Ow!
Here.
Ow!
What happened? Oh,
Hmm.
nothing happened. Ready?
The
Oh, what do you want to say? Patrick?
Patrick's.
That's it. It's Patrick. 1, 2, 3. Patrick! Yo, goes, SpongeBob.
Huh?
You can't think of anything to end it with?
Oh,
yeah.
I have something. Okay. Patrick, Patrick.